A group of tourists tested positive yesterday afternoon, after drinking water from the lake. According to the bus driver, he always warned them, no drinking water from the lake because we're not sure where it's coming from, but they says it's very fresh. Warning signs and traffic management plans are now in place to limit public interactions. Scientists are yet to confirm variants and intensity of the contaminations.
Toilet papers are on high demands again. Our supermarket shelves are empty. People are lining up for 10 hours and camping outside the shops. Supermarket spokeswoman said we export 90% of our toilet papers overseas. She urged people not to panic buy. Witnesses said it's not just toilet papers. There's shortage of chickens, pasta, rice, fresh vegetables, and bunch of essentials items. An emergency meeting with supermarket bosses is scheduled next year to discuss less exportation of our toiletries to help the demand of the community here. She also said some people are already using nature alternative due to desperation, and warning everyone not to be aggressive.
A helicopter gunship was stalling last night. After coming back from refueling and rearming, the government officials assured the community is safe, and they are working very hard to recover it. Meanwhile, for the 6th time this month, our navigation satellite is down again. According to our sources, it's primarily used for Google Maps, weapon tracking system, advanced warning sensors on our shorelines, and identification locators used primarily for our defense force and border protection.
Alpha Zero, Niner, Victor, and Worm Minimal, editing these 2 clicks of my fail.
This is Actual 202 Alpha Zero Niner Victor. Visual confirmation. Engage. Engage. I say again. Engage when ready. Confirmed. Over and out.
The stolen helicopter gunship, AH-64 Apache helicopter, has crashed over the waterfall. There's no confirmation on how it crashed. The crashed site is on restricted access, while government officials investigate the incident. According to the defense spokesperson, it will be a while before they'll reopen the site again, while the water system contamination has been cleared by scientists. According to Professor Acker a few minutes ago, our water system has no trace of any foreign bacteria besides local inhabitants.
Helicopter crashed in the bushes. According to witnesses, it was shooting at everybody. It's still unclear the intensity of the damage. Bus driver was saying they are lucky to be alive.
I'm still shaking. Boom, big guns. A man saved us. He ran away from the bus and helicopter was chasing him. We got away. Very lucky today.
We almost died. A man running away from our bus and the helicopter was chasing him. And they shoot him. What to do? I hope he is good. He ran very fast.
No comments from the official yet. Local communities are on lockdown. This is Fiona. This is brought to you by Aerial Concept Australia.